So you've packed up your RV's campsite and you're headed to your next destination. While you're driving, you spot a road hazard and you slam on the brakes. And in that moment, you remember,
oh no, I forgot to put the shampoos away.
and this tragedy could happen to you. You see, many RVs come with corner shelves like these in the shower, but each time you go to move, you have to put your personal care products away. That's why when Safoner contacted me asking to review their RV shower corner storage bar, I was excited because that's one of those products I didn't know I needed until I saw it. The concept is simple. It's an adjustable bar with adhesive pads that you stick right onto your shower walls, and once it's on, you never have to worry about putting your products away again. This bar is adjustable from 7 to 13 inches, so it should fit a wide number of shower enclosures. I start by carefully cleaning the shower surface off, first with some vinegar, then finishing off with a touch of isopropanol to really get it clean. To get the bar to my ideal height, I use a cup as a shim. Once the surface is dry, I peel back the adhesive strip and stick the bar to the shower enclosure one side at a time. I then press each side for 10 seconds to ensure good adhesion. With these bars in place, travel becomes a little easier, since now we won't have to remember to place the shampoos elsewhere before moving. I'll leave a link for this shower bar in the description, and if you use coupon code BUTENWAGEN, you'll receive a 10% discount. Until next time, thank you for watching.